What's good, YouTube? Your boy KJ Top Notch back with another video. As you can see for today's title and thumbnail, I will be doing a hair tutorial because the prices, man, it was $45 for a retwist, but now it went to 45 to 75 for a retwist. And like this, it went up high, and just for a lineup, it's 20. Bruh. Yes, I said it, 20. What? Before it was like 10, but 20, I like, nah, I can't. So, what I'll be doing is retwisting my hair, and I had washed it and everything, and I will be using some African Best Maximum Strength Super Grow hair and scalp conditioner, and this thing keeps your hair smelling good and keeps your scalp real greasy, shiny. And I got some locking gel too to start the retwist. Like that. And these clips, double palm clips, however you put your dreads, it's gonna stay just the way you want it with these clips. That's why I like using them. And got my clippers right here. And yeah, like $75. I was like, I'm gonna have to just start doing my own hair. Because $75 just to retwist them, and then sometimes they don't always do your hair like completely. So I want to do my own hair, and y'all gonna be right with me while I'm doing it. So as you can see, I look rough, hair all nappy, and this clint, and I'll be shaving all that. So it's gonna be a big transformation. We're gonna get right to this video, and I hope y'all like it, and I got a long way to finish, so let's get to it. Oh, for each row? For each row, we got a sample of this. Oh shoot, it dropped me. But you gonna got like one scoop of it, a little bit, just a little bit, and rub it across your scalp. You rub it from each line. You go line by line. And I am tender-headed. Each row you finish, you bring down the second row, you start on that row. After you finish that row, you bring the next row down, and you gel it. Okay, we got 11 dreads left. Whew, man, this process was long. Look at this process, man.
Meanwhile,
whew. The process is finished finally, and all I have left is 3 dreads. Let's hope we get that done real quick. Alright. Okay. process is finished. As you can see, now it's time for me to dry my hair. When I finish drying it, I'll begin to line up, shaving all that too. Okay guys, our job here is done. Now we're gonna take out these clips. Okay, YouTube, man, I finished my hair on my own. Son, how does it look? Okay, guys, now it's time for the lineup. It's complete, everything is looking nice and decent. Y'all like this video, subscribe. Y'all comment below, leave any comments below. Like, let me know how I did. And really and truly, like, I did, as you can see, good. You see my scalp? As you can see, one more look around, and I'll see y'all in the next video, man. KJ Top Notch, I'm out. Peace.